Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to assign a template to page. So simply first of all open the themes, and now what you need to do, just you can add multiple themes here, but we want to customize theme. So simply click here and now move to next page. So here you can customize the theme and create a complete template. So here you can add a new image banner. You can also add multiple text options available here. So here you can complete edit a template. So after completing this template, what you need to do, just on the top right side you can see the save button option. So just click here and save this template. Here you can also download free themes and simply click to any theme and assign to page. So both options are available if you want to customize template or you want to download here. So here how you can assign a template to page in Shopify.